Hey everyone, I'm Alli Gray and welcome back to Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorial. Today we're going to do house, specifically the pas de bourree. Let's go.
Perfect.
All right, y'all, let's get started with the pas de bourree, which is a triple rhythm, meaning there's 3 steps. And that first step is always gonna be on the bass. So we're gonna step out on 1. Good, we're gonna go 1, cross our second leg back, 2, step outside, 3. Good, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 1, cross back, and open. Good, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's try it to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Good. Remember, step, cross, open. Here we go. 5, 6 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 2 more times. 6 to the left. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do both sides. I'm gonna turn around so you can follow me. Here we go. Stepping out to the side. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good. How was that? Can we pick it up a little bit? Here we go. 5, 6, 7 to the side. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I'll face the back again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. All right. So let's take out the clap and we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And making sure that 1 is on the bass each time. Good. Try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. You guys ready to try with some music? Let's go. All right, let's get started nice and slow. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can move your hands however feels good for you. Always incorporating the jack whenever you can. Good. Hope that's feeling good for you guys. Let's pick it up a little bit faster. Yeah, so the tempo's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, let's try it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha. Good. Make sure you're moving to the side each time. Good. Finding that 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Good. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha. Nice. All right. Today we worked on the pas de bourree, which is a triple rhythm, one of many in house, right? So it's going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, using your jack, using your body to just find the flow. I think one reminder I want to leave you with is stay light on your feet. Yeah, keep your knees bent so that when you do go faster, you can find the transitions easier, right? House is known to have a fast tempo, so the key is to be able to shift your weight as easy as possible. I hope you enjoyed learning the pas de bourree with me. Stay connected on our social medias. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.